Hello everybody, hope you all are doing really well. This is Supreet Agrawal, your faculty for ACCA AA, AAA and law subjects. My dear friends, since June 2026 examinations are already over, we were receiving a lot of inquiries from all of you regarding our upcoming AA and AAA batches for September 2026 examination. Although we have scheduled a detailed orientation session for AA as well as AAA on 13th of June, but still a lot of you were curious about the batch details, that is what we are going to offer, what we are going to send to you, deliver to you as a book, and how we are going to conduct these sessions. So what I've done is I am creating this video only for the purpose of our batch details first, and please note that you also need to attend the 13th June orientation session, which is going to be conducted on YouTube only, for the detailed explanation of the subject, about it, understanding methodology, about how we are going to prepare for the September 2026 examination, and everything else that we are going to cover over there. But my dear friends, this video is only created for the purpose of batch details. Now when we talk about the batch details, what we need to understand is that first thing is we have to cover the concepts, plus along with concepts we also have to cover the question solving, and most importantly, after we do all of that, we also have to cover the doubt sessions. So I'm going to explain it to you everything, that is how we are going to conduct the concept lectures, how we are going to conduct the question practice sessions, how we are going to handle your doubts, what I'm going to deliver to your home as a book, and how we are going to prepare as a batch. Okay, so now when we talk about AA batch details, first thing that is very important is the concept lectures. So my dear friends, we will be starting with the concept lectures first, and I will be guiding you with a weekly calendar on how much lectures or how many lectures you need to see every week. So the lectures are being kept recorded. So why recorded? Why not live? Although a lot of chapters will be taken live as well, but why recorded? Let me answer that first. See, a lot of students are working as well. A lot of students face trouble with the live timings as well. So that is why I will be sharing all of these lectures with you in the recorded format. Having said that, a lot of key chapters would be revised in the live format as well for all of you, right? Now the language is going to be English, but sir, just in case we request some explanation, some one or two explanation in Hindi, can we do that? During the doubt sessions you can, but not during the regular lectures. Now what is this, sir? IFRS brush up lectures. See, a lot of times what happens is when we talk about AA, some of the questions are asked from the FR or related to the FR reference also, and a lot of students face this trouble that we have already forgotten what we studied in FR, and now we are going to face trouble about it. But no, my dear students, I am also going to give you the FR brush up lectures, not the full lectures, the brush up lectures that will help you brush up all the concepts of FR as well. Now when I talk about question practice sessions, what do we mean by it? Question practice sessions, will it only cover the MCQ part? Will it only cover the detailed case study part? Or will it only cover the case scenarios part? Or will it cover everything? So this will cover everything. The questions would be taken from a lot of reference materials, so that will help you understand everything very peacefully, and you do not need to worry about it, because we are going to take up a lot of questions from different concepts from all other chapters as well, that will prepare you for your examination. Now these are going to be conducted live. So what do we mean by live? See, most of the question solving sessions would be live. Okay, these would be covered along with the doubt sessions, So in case of question solving sessions, what we need to understand is that we need to understand some of the question solving sessions would be recorded for each chapter, and along with doubt we are going to conduct sessions in the live format as well. When I talk about the live format, what do I mean by it? I will be coming live on the app with all of you to solve the questions, and that will help you understand the questions, interpret the questions, discuss your doubts then and there. Okay, and for each chapter we are also going to provide the recorded lectures as well. Okay, so every doubt sessions that we are going to conduct on Monday, I'm going to tell it to you later on, but every Monday 8 p.m. we will be meeting live, and for this live session, in this live session we are going to cover one of the questions along with some of the MCQ questions and the doubts as well, so that you and I can connect and we can discuss about what are the potential queries that you are facing and how you can prepare best. Also we are going to club it with the mentorship sessions, where I'm going to guide you about how you should prepare specifically for the September 2026 attempt. Now the language is going to be English, my dear friends. Okay, just in case if you request some explanation in Hindi, I would be helping you over WhatsApp. Now case studies will be covered, case scenarios would be covered, as well as the MCQ questions would also be covered, so you do not need to worry about it. I hope this helps you. Right, now let's go for the query and doubt support, because a lot of you ask me what is the query and doubt support that you will be providing. So first thing is, I would request you to post all your queries on the app. Okay, just in case if there are any urgent queries, you can also post it to me over WhatsApp. But this should be a first way of communication and this should be a second way of communication. Okay, now live session query every Monday at 8 p.m. IST. Every Monday, sir, every Monday. Yes, every Monday we will be meeting at 8 p.m. and we will be solving some of the questions, some of the MCQ questions, as well as the doubt solving, as well as mentorship sessions. We will be conducting all of it every Monday 8 p.m. But sir, only Monday, or we can connect on some other day as well? To start with, we will be connecting only on Monday. But just in case if we require that, based on your study pattern, based on your overall view, or based on your overall preparation, if you are able to solve more questions and get more doubts during the week also, then we can add one more sessions over here on Thursday or Friday that we will be discussing during the batch. Okay, now what about the mock test, sir? So we will be conducting total 6 mock tests. 6 tests would be at the end full syllabus? No, 3 tests would be unit test. Unit test as in the chapter wise test. Unit test as in the chapter wise test. Okay, in case of AA, there are 31 chapters, so we generally divide 10 chapters and we take the mock test. Okay, and then 3 full syllabus tests. But my dear friends, and this would be with evaluation by me, but my dear friends, I have a strong request over here. I see that a lot of students do not appear for the mock test, especially they do not appear for the unit wise test. But this time I am going to be very strict with you. You will have to appear for the unit test and you will have to submit your answers, then only we will proceed further. Okay, that is very, very important for all of you. Now let's talk about what will you get from my end. Okay, so you will get the hard copy of summary notes. These are handwritten summary notes. Sir, how do they look? For that, you will have to attend the orientation session on 13th of June. Please subscribe to this channel. I will be sharing all the details over here. Also, you can check our shorts as well as the videos that we have already posted. We have used our summary notes over there. Now, hard copy of question bank as well. Okay, so hard copy as in you will deliver it to your house? Yes, I will be delivering it to your house. Okay, I'll not come personally come, but it will be delivered, don't worry about it. And now the class board notes. The board notes are important. Yes, it is very important for certain students. It is particularly important for those students as well who will be revising through notes later on. So instead of just notes, if they have the board notes available as well, they might be able to revise a little better. So that is why this is very, very important. Now after this, what is the duration, sir? What is the duration? So what is the start date? 13th of June is the start date, Saturday. So what is the timing? I will be posting it in the description and I will be posting it on the same YouTube channel. You can check it over there. Now end date would be mid of August, but this time it's a little different. Generally what happens is, generally first paper and first date is of audit, right? First paper and first date is of audit. This time this is true, first paper is of audit only, but first date is not there. This time 7th September is the date for audit paper, right? So that is why we have to, both for AA as well as AAA. So we will be preparing accordingly. We will be finishing off somewhere in mid August only. Okay, now total duration should be around 70 hours. When I talk about 70 hours, what do I mean by it? So this will include, this 70 hours includes what? This 70 hours includes the concept lectures. This 70 hours includes the question solving videos. This 70 hours includes the doubt sessions as well as pre-mock and past paper solutions. Okay, this includes all of that. Now validity, the validity would be given as 3 months, but you can also request for the extension of further 3 months. That is, you can request and you can get it. I hope this clears all your doubts regarding the AA batch details. Just in case if you are left with any of the doubts, do let me know. I would be able to help you. So you can post all your queries either on the comment section of this particular video, or you can let me know all of your queries on my WhatsApp number, which is +91 971 395 1099, or you can email me on accawithsa@gmail.com. okay, or you can simply comment. I am mentioning all the relevant links over here. That is the links of what? Links of my Instagram channel, my Telegram channel, my YouTube channel, although I'm assuming that you might be watching this on YouTube only. Okay, as well as other relevant links. So you can watch it over there. and you can figure out if you would like to enroll with me. My dear friends, if you enroll with me, I assure you that you will be loving the experience, and just in case if you face any trouble, I will be there to support you. All the very best. See you in the orientation session that will be conducted on 13th of June. See you. If you have any doubts, please feel free to let me know. Thank you.